Boys and girls, we're going to learn about division.
Porter! Boys and girls, we're going to learn about division. But first, we're going to remember something about multiplication. Multiplication is really repeated addition. If I'm solving 5 times 6, that is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 5 sixes. If 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 30, then 5 times 6 is 30. This is called repeated addition. Multiplication and division are related. They're like opposites. So if multiplication is like repeated addition, division is like repeated subtraction. Here's how we do it. We're going to solve 30 divided by 5. So I'm going to start with the 30, and I'm going to take away 5, subtract 5 over and over and over again until I run out. So I'm going to say, okay, 30 minus 5 equals 25. Then I need to subtract again, but I'm going to start with my new number. 25 minus 5 equals 20. 20 minus 5 equals 15. 15 minus 5 equals 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5. And finally, 5 minus 5 equals 0. I just had enough space. So let's see how many times it took us taking away 5 to get down to 0. So I took away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. If I subtract 5 from 30, 6 times, I get 0. So 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So let's try that again. I'm going to solve 24 divided by 6. I want to see how many times I can subtract 6 from 24. So I'm going to take that division sentence and make it into a subtraction sentence. 24 minus 6 and see what it equals. Let's see, I'm going to count backwards. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. That was subtracting 6 one time. I'm not at 0 yet, so I'm going to start with 18 and subtract 6 again. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. It equals 12. Getting closer. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. How many tries did that take? 1, 2, 3, 4. It took us 4 subtraction sentences to get to 0. So 24 minus or divided by 6 equals 4. That is called repeated subtraction. You subtract the same thing over and over until you get to 0. Taco Cat wanted me to remind you that there are 2 ways that you know now to solve division problems. First, we can do division by sharing, also known as cookies and plates. I can take 15 and divide it into 3 different plates. I'm going to draw 3 plates. Then I'm going to pass out my cookies until I get to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I always went in order so I didn't miss anything. And then I count how many cookies each person got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cookies. That's one way, division by sharing. I can also do division by repeated subtraction. I'm going to take that same problem and make it into a subtraction sentence. And I'm going to keep subtracting over and over and over again until I get to 0. And I'm going to see how many steps it took me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, I got the same answer as I did when I did it by sharing. That's because both ways work. Which way do you like most?